Hello everyone, so today I'm going to talk about a software which can convert a script into a video, and this video you can upload it on YouTube and you can also monetize this video. So the app's name is Pictory AI, by which you can convert any script into a video. It's a text to video converter. It's definitely a premium software. I am giving you the link in the description. You can just check out your free trial and get your monthly or annual subscription. It's very affordable, and also I'm giving you the coupon code in the description. So let's begin. So what I've done is I've already selected the script from here. What I'll do is I'll just select script to video. I click on start. I just have to enter the script here. So what I'll do is I'll just enter the script here from a blog. So I'll just take few points here. I'll just take the first 3 points for here. Okay, so the script is entered here, and I'll just click on proceed, and I'll select the landscape here. As you can see, this is the 16:9 landscape mode. This is the normal mode. But if you are uploading this video by converting into YouTube Shorts vertical format, either to TikTok or YouTube Shorts, you can select this one also, portrait format. Or if you are uploading this video on Instagram, then you can select 1:1, that is square format. So I'll just select 16:9, and you have to wait for a while the Pictory AI is converting the text format into a storyboard format. So we'll just wait. Okay, now the storyboard has been created, as you can see here. So these are all the scenes here, and on the right hand side you can see this is the video format from the bottom. So what we have to do is we have to just select individual scenes here. You can just select the scenes from here. So now suppose if I want to change this video, so this video is automatically selected by the AI from the story blocks. It's already inbuilt in Pictory AI. This story blocks, all the videos from story blocks are already inbuilt here. So what I'll do, if you want to change this scene, I'll go to the visuals here, and I'll just select the keyword. I'll just enter the keyword, like suppose say I type dark circles. I'll just click here, and then automatically the videos which are related to this keywords automatically pops out here. Or there is a second option also. Here you can select the category, and accordingly you can just select the video from here. So what I'll do is I'll just select this one. I'll select this video, and it automatically converts the video which is of appropriate length. It automatically cuts the video, and similarly you can change all the scenes from the bottom and side. And once you go on the audio, you can change the background music as well. You can select the background music. There are around 15,000 background musics available according to the mood. As you can see, you can select here. So whether you want this type of music, hopeful, intense, sensual. So I'll just click on speed here, and accordingly the background music will come. Okay, it's taking some time, so till that time we'll just wait. Okay, so now here, as you can see, you can select from 934. I'll just apply here, and I'll select on voiceover here, and I'll just select a female version.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rates by 80%.
You can also decrease the speed also.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rates by 80%.
So now what I'll do, I'll just click on preview here, and you will be able to see how the video looks. Now the conversion doesn't take much time, it's really very fast. If you have used Vidnami ever, you'll be able to see Pictory has much more features than Vidnami ever had, especially the conversion from text to video. It takes hardly any time, the processing is very good. So if you're looking to try this software, you can just click on the link given in the description. You can enter the coupon code and get the special discount through my link. So by that time, we'll just wait for the preview. Okay, so the preview is available now.
Some people change their lifestyle habits, while others turn to treatments and products that they find in beauty stores.
Okay, so what I'll do is, so this video is approximately around 2 minutes 33 seconds. I'll just click on the entire preview of the video. It will take some time, so just wait a minute. Okay, so the preview, it's on now.
How to remove dark eye circles. Once a person understands why dark circles develop under their eyes, they can select an appropriate treatment. Some people change their lifestyle habits, while others turn to treatments and products that they find in beauty stores. While these are likely safe, most of these home treatments may be ineffective. People may not be able to remove dark eye circles altogether, but several techniques and remedies can help minimize their appearance. 1. Getting adequate sleep. Some people notice dark eye circles when they experience periods of low quality sleep. Lack of sleep may aggravate dark eye circles. Limited studies, trusted sources have shown that rest and good general health lessens the dark eye circles. 2. Elevating the head during sleep. People who experience darkening of the skin under their eyes in the morning.
Okay, I'll stop it here. So as you can see, the voice quality along with the video quality, it's very good. So if you want to try this software, you can click on the link given in the description. You can have a free trial. So I'll see you in the next video, and let me know in the comments how did you like this Pictory software. Thank you.